Hey there guys, how's it going? And what we're going to be talking about today is the Cuba Prestige Black Eau de Toilette Spray for Men. Yeah, this is a cologne that is very nice. I like it a lot. This is actually my third bottle of this, using it, and it's really nice. And one of the cool selling points behind this whole cologne thing is the packaging. You see this? It looks like it's very, winged out. It's very designed, and you see the detail in the packaging. And it's a cigar case. You see? This is a case right here. This is empty. This is the actual cologne here, and this is the cap. And these look like cigars. You see? Looks like a cigar case. But you pull this out like that, and the cologne is on the inside. Very nice. Really cool design. I really was impressed the first time I saw this and how it was actually packaged. It's very interesting, and the smell is very nice. It's very masculine. There's a hint of fruit in there, and it's not overwhelming, which is a plus for me. You don't have to put on a whole lot to get that nice smell. There's a very sweet smell to it, but when you smell this, it really smells masculine. Like a woman wouldn't wear this. It really smells masculine. It's not like a musk or anything like that, but it's a very manly smell. I'll just say that. And it smells very good. I like it a lot. It's in the mid-range, I guess, price-wise. It's not cheap and it's not expensive, but kind of like somewhere in the middle. But it makes for a very, very good gift. First time I got this, it was a gift, and I really didn't know what it was because of the packaging, but it was really cool pulling this out of the container, the whole cigar thing. And it's very nice. I mean, even if it didn't smell very well, I would still really like having it because it's kind of like a novelty thing. I mean, it's really designed really well, and I really like it a lot. I like things like that, have hidden surprises. Yeah, you pull it out and you think it's something else, but it turns out to be this instead. That's really cool. And it makes a great conversation piece. Yeah, I mean, and it just looks nice displayed also. Have it, you don't want to just put this away in your bathroom or in your medicine cabinet or something. You kind of want to show it, so I have it kind of displayed in my bathroom here at home. And see, me and my wife, we have different bathrooms, so I can display all my colognes and lotions and stuff on this countertop, and she kind of does the same. But this is one of the ones I have out, so you can kind of see it. It's really nice. I like it a lot, and I've used this for several years now. When I got my first one, it was probably around maybe, I'll say 5.5 to 6 years ago, and I've been using it ever since. I go through it. I mean, I don't use it all the time, like every day or anything, because it does kind of smell like a go out on the town type of fragrance. I mean, you could wear it every day. It smells nice either way. But if you're going out and you want to impress your girlfriend or your wife or whatever, and you want to, smell the part in your nice tuxedo or suit or whatever, fancy clothes, this is kind of the icing on the cake. Yeah, you will do very well smelling like this cologne that night using this. I mean, it will be really the thing that, takes you over the edge. It's the finishing touch on a really nice ensemble, the way you're dressed and everything, that you spray this on, it like, boom, you're ready to go. Yeah, and I have not yet seen anybody or heard anybody disliking this smell. It's a very unique smell, and it's just very nice. And it's the main part I like about it is not overwhelming. You don't need a whole lot. It's a little on your neck, a little bit on your chest and arms, and you're good. Yeah. All right. Well, that is we're talking about the Prestige Black Cuba Toilette Spray. Yeah. The toilet spray for men. Prestige Black. It's really a nice spray. All right, guys. Well, I hope you guys use this information, and I will see you again next time. All right. Bye-bye.